Hey guys, it's Jeremiah with B Custom Fab. We wanted to bring y'all in on a little home maintenance tip. Cycling breakers in your electrical panels, not something that anybody ever thinks about doing. If they do, well, they know electrician. But anyway, we're going to show you how to cycle your breakers to make sure if anything goes wrong that it's still a functioning breaker like it's supposed to. So we're just going to go through, cycle the breakers. It's easy. Everybody can do it. Or if you choose to do it, anyone can do it. So pretty much all I like to do, I like to start top left, go through, flip everything off. The bad part is you're gonna have to reset all your alarm clocks, but well, we all use cell phones now. Anyway, I'm gonna come over on the right side, flip these off. It's not that hard. Then we come back here, cycle all of them back on. Flipping from left to right to turn them on. All of the breakers turn on from the outside of the panels, working to the inside of the panel. So these are off to the right, on the right-hand side, so we have to turn them to the center of the panel. Turn them back on, or push them to the center of the panel and turn them back on. Another part I like to do is in a newer home, they have the AFCI breakers, arc fault circuit interrupters. These have test buttons. Those are also good to test and cycle through their system as well. So these are simple. All we got to do is come into where it says test, push it, push the test buttons. There we go. All of our arc fault breakers are working. So we turn those back to the off position and then we cycle all of those back on. Voila. Breakers have been cycled, so that's going to help extend the life of the breaker because most of the time breakers never get turned on and off. But in some situations, you will have a main breaker up here. On this particular house, there's not a main breaker. Just one of those things. Some have them, some don't. But if you do have a main breaker, the best thing to do is go through and unload all of these, which is turn those in the off position. From the center out is off. So from the left-hand side, we're center, taking them and flipping them to the left like so. We want to go all the way through the breakers on both sides and then turn our main breaker off. Then we turn our main breaker back on and then we individually turn our branch circuits back on. That's how we function our breakers in our panel, and that'll help extend the life of our panels.